Welp, it is that time of the year again. The last time I did a Call of Mini Squad stream was 10 months ago. So I guess I'm like two months early. Okay, well, let me explain real quick. Samurai vs. Zombies is finished. It's done. It's already released on my GitHub. I'm still working on the video though. I've got, decent progress on it. Should be out early February. But I got a random boost of motivation to work on Call of Mini Squad. So, here we are. Once again. I'd like to reiterate, all I have to do left is work on the video. Is this gonna... Okay. Alright. Let me try to, pin a comment real quick. And then we'll get into this. Once again. Hello, Machine Gamer. Okay. Let me see. Can I pin this? Okay. Alright. So that's pinned. Okay. Alright. We're just gonna get into it. So. Step 1. We're just gonna get a random NavMesh. Okay. Now we're gonna copy all of this mesh data, which is in ASCII, binary. I don't know. It's weird. Let me make sure this is formatted correctly. Yep. Okay, we're good. Okay. Now we open HXD, make new file, and we paste all of this. Okay. All right. We have the NavMesh data now. And now, we go into Binary Ninja, where we have these struct layouts of all kinds of cool NavMesh stuff. And I believe DT NavMesh here is the whole thing. So, we need to figure out how this is laid out in the file. And then we'll be on our way. So, it looks like data starts here. Let me see. That looks like a float. There's some very strange floats. I don't know. It might start. I think it might start here. Is that a float? The gym theme. Yeah, right. Okay. All right. Enough of the Stanley Parable. Let me put on some different music. Hold on. I just thought that one song was cool for the intro. You can't go wrong with Minecraft Story Mode music. Let's just top the maze. Yeah, okay, you can't go wrong with that. Did I just turn on? I don't know what that was. Okay, okay. Everything here is laid out in front of us. And now we can begin to figure out the stupid... Okay, so actually, let me explain a few things first. So you actually know what's going on. Call of Mini Squad. It's got some really good progress on it. Most of the server stuff has been rewritten locally, except for a few things, which I'll get to on the final stream, which won't be NavMesh related, but these next few streams will be completely NavMesh related. Now, what is a NavMesh? What is that? Well, basically, if we bake one here... Yes, this is Minecraft Story Mode music. It's very good. Okay, well, that's gonna take too long. Basically, it makes a kind of pseudo model. It overlays a mesh over anywhere that the enemies or players should be able to walk over. So you can set a point and it will figure out how to navigate to that point. Okay, great. So what I did was I made an automatic NavMesh baker right here, and I thought that was enough. It was not, because the way the NavMeshes are baked are kind of weird. They have multiple areas. The way doors get opened and you get blocked between areas. Anyways, the specifics aren't really important. What's important is that I need to figure out how to get those old NavMeshes from Unity 4 into Unity 2017. And my plan is to figure out how to extract the vertices, the points on the mesh, and the indices, the triangles, put that mesh into the scene, set it as the only thing that needs to be baked onto the nav mesh, set everything to just the lowest it possibly can be. You know, 0.01 agent radius, tiny voxel size, 0.00000. Okay, anyways. And then it'll basically just rebake it with that exact same layout. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Okay, enough explaining. Now we're gonna start. Yes, Minecraft Story Mode was peak. Okay, so let me get the C program. File main.c. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do this in C, because it's a lot easier to work with memory in C, especially binary stuff. Include folder. Okay. So we see this is a header here. I'm gonna make, let's see. Okay. Let me just set a few things up here. Okay. Oh, right. Wait, no, not right. Okay, I don't know why that's happening. IntelliSense is stupid. Whatever. Is it the... No, why is it happening? Is that why? It is definitely not... Oh. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it can't be an empty struct. Okay. We'll just return null. Actually, wait, no, you don't have to return anything. This is C. Okay. So we have everything set up. Actually, let me make a stream reader now. This is just gonna... I need to set up a few things. This is what most of the stream's gonna be like. It's just gonna be me coding. But, I mean, it still should be interesting, because every now and then I'll be able to go back into this, overlay the mesh, and see if it's accurate. But a lot of it's gonna be spinning here. Just a warning. But I will be answering literally any questions anybody has. I just smacked the microphone. I apologize. Function definition. What? Oh, right. I mean, really, all I need is one void. I'll just have a excuse me. And then just, oh yeah, I should probably say the size as well. I mean, really, I just need to pass in a stream reader. Yeah, I think there's only one more commit in the past few days. Okay, so pointer file size. Alright, need standard int. Okay, yeah, that's all we need. Then I'm just gonna do void stream set fonts. Okay, I mean, I don't really know. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna store the size. All right. Three include. I guess I can get it like a mix, not just the same song over and over. Let me just pick some good songs to add to the playlist. Probably all from Minecraft Story Mode. 102 credits. That's Boomtown. No, wait, that's not the right one. Is it this one? No, not that one. Oh, Ivor's Library is a good one. Ivor's theme. Fighting. Just the whole thing. Action, suspense. Good old Atop the Maze. Okay, one more. Actually, no, that's fine. Okay. Do I really need... I don't really need that. Oh yeah, I was for PC Text. I remember I was with Rejoinga when he was attempting to fix it. When Squad is back, I'm having like 20 vids on the game and credit you all on the vids for getting a legendary game back. Nice. Hi, 30. Met, I don't know. Minecraft Story Bode 203 Friends Till Death. Oh, I don't have the season 2 OST. That's right, or chapter. I don't remember. I don't have the second one downloaded. Hi, Met. Hello, Kin Pixel. Hello, Nexazel. Well, it's not yet, but it will be. Void pointer. Okay. Mem copy header string.h. String.h, really? Okay. Destination buff, and then that should be, oh, right. Minecraft Story Bode. Okay. Then reader dot. Alright, now. File plus pause. Then just size. Then we will return buff. And then I will also do man, I really wish I had templates. One upside of C++ is that it has templates. I mean, really, I could just do void stream read into data. Just do void pointer. I really hope Call Many can get at least some of its popularity back instead of it being only remembered by a few thousand people. Yeah, I mean, I really want to get in contact with a bunch of old Call Many YouTubers. The only problem is, really, they don't get views anymore. I mean, heck, old Call Many YouTubers really only had one video that popped off at all. So, I mean, really, we'd have to just re-advertise, because by this point, nobody still watches those YouTubers for Call of Mini content, because it's been so long since Call of Mini's even been a thing. What's Call of Mini? Is it a Call of Duty ripoff? It is actually, okay, the closest Call of Mini ever got to Call of Duty, other than, well, no, I mean, there wasn't even really anything taken from Call of Duty Zombies. Call of Mini Zombies honestly took more inspiration from Left 4 Dead 2. but the closest it got, no, because Call of Mini Infinity was Halo. So, I mean, it didn't really do, it wasn't Call of Duty, really. Okay, let's do this again. Data. But, because I can't just, I can't just free it after. That's fine. Let me see if I can do multi-line. Define stream type T. Okay, alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I think this, yeah, that's the new line right there. Let's see. Ah, man, because I'm going to have to define a variable. Well. Oh, wait, no, that's easy. Just do this. Just put it in this scope. Always have it as reader, and then size of T. Yeah, that's the first. I think it's just like that. V. T pointer equals T pointer data. Pointer to T pointer, that data. Wait, hold on, I think I need to encase this whole thing. Then just okay, alright, there. That's kind of a template, sort of, I guess. Okay, oh wow, that's a lot of stuff I need to read. Oid! Call of Halo Infinity. Call of Mini is Chinese. Yes, it is. Trinity is not Russian. That's Pixel Gun. Call Mini should have added solo boss rush after servers shut down. Not gonna lie. Well, they kind of ran out of money, so they didn't really. I mean, yeah, that wouldn't really have helped anything. I mean, boss raid. I mean, Photon was not always an option. However, I don't blame him for not wanting to recode the full multiplayer system in all their games. Well, I mean, you can really just use. I just use Photon because it's easy. and I don't have to pay money. I don't have to pay money. I can pay money. Yeah.
Are we good now?
I'm sorry if that was very loud. I'll just keep it all the way up. Let's go to the next one. Okay. And it would be rush. All the bosses stronger. They should have added boss rush mode for in-game players. Oh, actually, that's not a bad idea. All the hackers with just one tap the whole boss rush, though. Yeah, we need an anti-cheat. Obfuscated C anti-cheat. One thing that puzzled me was the removal of co-op survival. That was weird. Yeah, they just replaced an entire game mode. And not the biggest fan of that. Yeah. Actually, let me put this over here so I'm not putting air into the mic. Okay. Oh, right, I need a pointer this. What's the problem? Oh, right. Stream, reader, pointer, reader. Stream, reader, pointer, reader. Okay, oh yeah, right. Stream, reader, pointer, reader. Right, I don't know. Stream, create, path. Why is Call of Mini Brawler so meh in terms of gameplay? I can't even play it for more than 5 minutes without wanting to instantly leave. Okay, that can't play it for more than 5 minutes without wanting to instantly leave. That's kind of contradictory. It seems like you wanted to leave after 5 minutes. Anyways, I don't agree. I like, it's a pretty addictive game for me. Can't think. Right. Okay. Read. Yeah, I'm not going to do read into data. That's not helpful. Low attention span. Bro, my attention span is cooked. It is gone. It was never there to begin with. The NavMesh Chronicles! I don't know. Would it be better to revive 3.0 online or add co-op survival to 4.3.4? It was a legendary game, I'll be honest. Well, I want to port both. And then I guess at some point I wanted to expand on 4.3.4 so we could add co-op survival in that. It? No, I'm just AD with the HD. Or am I just ADD? I feel like I'm AD with the HD. I don't know. I haven't been like, I don't like the self-diagnostic thing. I think that's stupid, but I mean, come on. I think it's pretty obvious in this case. Okay. File pointer. File equals fopen. Oh, right, I need file.h. No. No, that's not what I need. What do I need? Standard IO. Yeah, that makes sense. think it's read binary. F open modes. RB. Yeah, okay. I am Doctor, you are. Out of all the comedy games I played, favorites were Dino Hunter, Zombies 1, and Zombies 2. So you were really a fan of the third-person PvE. Makes sense, I guess. I think Dino Hunter is kind of on a different level than Zombies 1 and 2. It's just peak. Probably got my favorite music as well. Well, I really like the menu theme. The battle music's alright. But now Zombies 2 has the best music. That's just a fact right there. Although Call of Duty Battlefield had really good music. I played Squad for like 2 hours, so I couldn't really properly rate it from the scenes from the vids I've seen. It looks very good. Honestly, I wish I played it more. I played it quite a bit. I didn't play it that much. It wasn't my favorite. It definitely ranks on the lower end of my tier list, but I mean it's good. Also, Trinity, where was the revive system for Dino Hunter? Comzy double shot kind of tricked me. Comzy 2 double shot. Call of Duty Zombies 2 double shot ticked me off. They wanted to revive using gems. Oh yeah. Yeah, Dino Hunter is great. We can all agree on that. And Zombies 2 is good, and Zombies 1 is good. Better than Zombies 2. Okay. F-seek. Or wait. C file size. Okay. Just gonna Peter is Malik. Size of stream reader. Okay, I think that's enough of the Minecraft story mode. I'm gonna find a different song. So I'm gonna find different songs. I know. Where is it? From what I remember. Oh, Risk of Rain 2 music. Oh, TF2 music's good, but like, I'm sorry. I gotta change it to Risk of Rain 2. I gotta do it, man. I'm not good at making an entertaining live stream. All right, look, guys. Here I am speaking. I'm gonna respond to these comments. Risk of Rain. From what I remember, my first Call of Duty game was Zombies 1. Yep, that was also my first game. It's SV2. What is SV2? Dude, you did the same thing I did in my video from 2020. When I said SV2 instead of SVZ. Risk of Rain 2 soundtrack. I'm gonna play it through Steam. I mean, forget it. It's easier. Risk of Rain 2. It's so quiet, though. Oh, that's probably why. Okay. No, okay. TF2, I don't know, man. I like Risk of Rain music more. Hey, so are done code? No, I are not done with code. I are not even close to done with code. And since I really like dinosaurs, yep, or 2, at least I could play all of Colony before they shut down. Yep. I was wondering why that song sounded familiar. Familiar? You didn't instantly recognize it? Now Android download. Oh, yeah, bro. What? No, dude. No, dude. Tiny Legends Crazy Night was also a good game. Yeah, it was a good one. I didn't play it, though, until Newbite told me about it, which was, like, I mean, around the time I did the decomp. But, yeah, it was good. I don't like dinosaurs as much anymore, but I still have a ton of respect for Dino Hunter. Yeah, I'm not much of a dinosaur guy, but, like, it's just I'm more of a zombie guy, but you know the game's still better. Fseek file 0 seek and size ftl file. Okay. File pointer. File pointer. Oh, right. fread. fread. Destination buffer. Reader file. I'll just set that to be a void pointer. Actually, no, you don't need to do that. 1. I think I did 1. Let me check in my other code. I have it right here, so. Oh, right. No. I did that and then the size. What was the last parameter? File. Alright, file. Okay. That reads into the file, and then I'll just do reader pause 0, then just return the reader. Come on. I don't understand you guys if you say this is worse than TF2 music. TF2 music is really good, but this is Risk of Rain music, alright? Who can fathom the soundless depths? We'll get there. We'll get there. Are you even playing any music right now? Is that better? It's not Terraria Calamity. Yeah, I've been playing some Calamity as of late. Yeah, Calamity, Risk of Rain, best OSTs, bro. Will update have GitHub account. Might help code for you. I'm good. I'm good. The art style Dino Hunter was peak for 2011. Pretty good. Yeah. You should listen to Flood Escape 2 music if you like fast-paced music. Well, I mean, in this case, I don't like it to be super fast-paced because I'm just coding over here. Not gonna lie, the only time I saw Squad installed it was pre-shutdown of Com Games. Yeah, I don't think I played post 10,000% off, or maybe I did a little bit. I don't remember. Factory made a new thumbnail for Squad, but it did no changes to make it playable. Oh, that's funny. Excuse me. Obsessed with the decaying silo. Team Fortress better. No, I'm sorry. I don't agree. I don't agree. Too loud. Oh. You're right. How about, like, is that good? Stream tells me 3 times. Oh. Robots. Okay, I have the stream rater set up. Let's finally get into the file format. So we have a header here. Let me open up. I would open up Notepad++, but I have a lot of like video scripts and stuff in there that I don't want to leak. Okay. So we got a TESM header. So I'll just skip 4 bytes there. Okay. Alright, now we got integer. Oh man. I have to... Okay, put this over here. Like that. Oh boy. Okay, why can I not? Okay. Pre-song was loud, this one is cut quiet. Oh, wait. Oh, wow, that is quiet. Okay, I'll go up to -22. I'll go right here. This is why audio normalizing exists. Okay, alright. Back here. So this probably isn't it. It looks like we have integer, 2 integers, but then we do float. We do 3 float. Oh, okay, and then 3 floats. Then 1 more float. Here. Oh yeah, okay. 3 floats here. Okay, so that is right. So then, right, okay. So that's an offset of 4, 8, and okay, now it's too loud again. I am not a great streamer. That's okay. 8 plus 6. Okay, so 24. Or no, that's 3 floats. That'd be 20. 24, 28. Okay, so just starting here, that's 1024. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Max tiles. Yep, that seems to line up. Then max LUT size. Don't know what LUT is, but sure. And then that's a mask, so that makes sense. And then that's the tile count? I don't think that's right. Let me make sure. Hold on, so that's max tiles. max LUT count. That's the mask. That doesn't seem right. I don't think that's right. Is that a differential from the actual... Okay. I'm gonna put a question mark next to that because that doesn't seem right. 32, 36, 40, 44. Okay, Vand. Okay, so this looks like this is... We're going into mesh tile now. I don't know if any of this down here is used. I guess we'll find out. Okay. What was it again? It was DT mesh tile. Yeah, that works. Okay. DT mesh tile. Alright. Do we have vertices? We have vertices! Ladies and gentlemen, we have vertices. Oh, I need to line it back up. Okay. So we'll mark this as DT NavMesh. Mark these. Alright. And now... Actually, I'm not going to indent it. That'd take too long. Tab. Oh, no, tab works. That's way too much, though. Okay, we'll do DT mesh tile. Okay. Salt. Okay, so it looks like this is the salt, I guess. So far, this matches up. That's just 0. There's not much I can make from that. Header. Let's see the DT mesh header. See if that matches up better. DT mesh header. Oh, okay. See, what's the first integer? It might not start with salt. I'm thinking it probably doesn't, because I don't think salt's usually used for like encryption. Ender, you should screen share on VC so I can listen to the music with my own volume. Ladies and gentlemen, we have vertebrae. No way, bro. Calamity. No. Terraria Crimson Real. Magic. Yeah, that's not much better. That doesn't tell me much more. Magic. Okay, I'm just going to assume... oh boy. Okay, DT mesh header. Mesh header. Okay. Magic. It's just 0, so I'm gonna assume that that's correct. And then, what the version is 0 too? That doesn't seem right. Oh. Int X and Y, layer, user ID, poly count, vert count, max leak count. Let me see, what is the size of this? Because if the vertices directly proceed this... Whoops. Oops. Should probably close that. Okay, let's see. So those are all... Okay, so assuming this is the whole thing, that's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68. Okay, yeah, we're already way off. How many bytes is this? Starting from here, that is, let me get this in decimal. 71. Yeah, no, this is not matching up. That's way too big. So let's see. Is this the vert count? If it shouldn't be 64 vertices. Detail mesh count, detail vert count. Huh. Terraria is an amazing game. I want to get on my laptop so I can play Calamity Gur. What the heck does Gur mean, and why did I type that? Isn't that a character from Invader Zim? I mean, you spelled it wrong, but I mean, it's close enough, right? I'm going to assume... Actually, wait. So, okay, yeah. 2 of these. Header. Polys. So is it... Are these the polys? Oh man, this is already... I'll do this. We'll do this one thing at a time. Poly detail. Verts knee. First link. Verts knees. Flags. Vert count area. I think this is it. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Verts. Let's see. Does this link up better? No, that's because that's 6. Oh man. Okay, so that's 4. That's 26. So that's 30. 56. 60. 64. 68. I think that's right. Maybe? 68. Oh, wait, no, this is not, okay. I mean, that matches up perfectly, so I'm going to assume that this is the right thing right here. DT poly, okay. Alright, let me get rid of the header and all this. DT poly. Let's fact check this vert count. So this should be area and type, and then this should be, whoa, no, that's not right. Oh wait, no, these are 2. Okay, so that does not. Oh wait, there's 2 padding. So this is the padding. Hold on. Okay, so that's 60. So then this is 61, this is 62, and then this is 64. So then if I read to there, that's 64. So it looks like there's an integer. Okay, so there's maybe an integer there. That's interesting. For no, because that definitely, yeah, no, it definitely ends here. That's 67. Does that make sense? I don't think that makes sense. That's 4. Okay, wait, maybe 6. Why is that off by 1 Vand? off by 1 because Van 4 4 4. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's 4 4 4. It would have to end there. I've got to be tripping or something. That's okay, yeah, this makes a lot more sense as a float. I'm gonna guess this is part of it. So yeah, it looks like there is an extra integer there. I don't know. What if I learn how to use Unity, then I learn how to make models, like call mini models, then I make call mini cow. You should do that. Okay, I'm just gonna copy all this in because it seems to be correct. First link, then 6 of these, verts and knees. So I assume, I don't know what that is, but then I miscounted. I did not count right. So, okay, now that makes even less sense though, because I miscounted that. Hold on, wait, let me go back to DT mesh tile. So yeah, okay, though there are 2 ints here. Okay, no, that would make a lot more sense. So yeah, I miscounted that. I need to remove 2, 28, 54, and then 58, 59, 60, and 62, and that would explain why it ends in 3F, because it's just 1 byte. Okay, so then from here to here, that is 68. Okay, maybe these paddings aren't part of it, which would make a lot of sense. 60... Oh, man. How long you streaming? I don't know, maybe another hour. How you enjoying format out of 10 so far? Like I don't know, a 4. I'm not enjoying it. Oh man, okay. $60. Okay, right. Put these in here and get rid of this question mark. Okay, and now we're onto the vertices. DT poly. So I mean, it looks like the header just ain't there, which that's fine with me. Less stuff I have to read, so that's definitely a float, and that's definitely a float. Okay, we're on to vertices. We got vertices. So now we just read vertices. And that's just 3. It's like 3 floats per DT polys. Vert count. Okay. Alright, so then, how much do we need to skip? Let's see, vert count. That is... So we're gonna... Right, okay. Does that make sense? 60. So I mean, it said this is 68, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's gotta start there, right? Am I going crazy? So those are two. Okay, well then that means that these are the flags. Or area and type, and then okay, well, it looks like the vert count is here, which minus these two. Or wait. $44. Wait. What? That's a UN 8. Okay, this is suddenly not making sense again. Oh, man. Why would that be stored as a single? Oh, man. Okay, I'm just gonna measure how long this is. And, there's a lot of data we can ignore if we really want to. And I do want to. So that's 7,268. So we're gonna try dividing that. This music is too intense. Hold on. Yes. Okay. Need to do the funny. Okay. Vert count. So I mean, I think this is the vert count. So if it's 7,200 and right, let me recount that again. I think this, yeah, those are the indices right there. So directly preceding the vertices are the indices. These are definitely indices. And it looks like, I don't know, they look weird. They just look weird. Okay, 7,268. Let's try dividing that by 290. It's gotta, actually, wait, what am I doing? 7,268 divided by 12. What? What? Huh? Okay, 7,264 divided by 12. Okay, well this is uninterrupted data. Now I'm confused. So that's 8. Okay, maybe okay, let me see. 7,260 divided by 12. Okay, so 605. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for 605. Let's see if we got that anywhere. 607. Okay, alright. 607 times 12. That is 7,284 bytes to read. Okay, 7,284. 7,284. That doesn't seem right. That just doesn't seem right. Maybe that's just coincidence. Maybe it's just really close for some reason. Let's see. 580. That doesn't seem right either. Okay, let me try that. 580 times 12. 6,960. Yeah, that seems even less right. But let's see. Because there are probably some other weird floats in there. 6,960. Okay, alright, so... Right? Okay. Yeah, I mean, they look about the same. I mean, the Y, it looks like the Y level. Is that the Y level? Let me see. That would be X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a quick utility script in Colony Squad. I'm going to copy every single one of these floats. Into a file. Let's see. Just make a... Okay, I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna make a quick utility script. Yeah, save it. Schwimmers, could you possibly try to decompile Dial Hunter 1.0.1 because it's so much different from the later version and actually looks better, or like recon, but whatever the word is. They're both the word, you know. But yeah, actually, I can. I have the iOS version, and since the first version of like every app can be decompiled no problem. Excuse me. Yes, I can do that. The avatars definitely look better. They had to sacrifice some of the quality and get rid of the headgear to add armors. That's kind of unfortunate. Seems like they should have only done that if you were wearing anything, like have a separate model, but no, well. Okay. Right, and then do this. Oh wait. Right, because I want to use gizmos to draw it. So I'm gonna need. Yeah, I'm just gonna need. Forget it. I'm not gonna be building this anyway. Can't type. Okay. That works. Just single. Okay. Alright, we can test the vertices now. Okay. Did that work? I can't tell. Well, first of all, it seems there's a rotation problem. I guess I should do times transform dot. Okay, wait. Okay, there we go. Shoot, wait, I think I need to do this. Okay, there we go. Whatever, that works. Let me make the sphere size bigger. I'm gonna go with 0.3. I wonder how Call Zombies would look if Trinity never made so many games so focused in 2 or 3. Bang. Yeah, I guess. Is it just me, or does this kind of look like a Colony double shot map? Oh, man. Oh, wait, never mind. That was my fault. Oh, no, no. Frick. Okay, whatever. I mean, kind of. I guess. No, just no. No matter how you slice it, that ain't right. Too inconsistent on the Y. Well, I say that. Let me move this over some more. This isn't the same NavMesh. I'd like to make that clear real quick. Huh. I mean, let me see if I can find. I gotta import Yuga Legacy post processor. Okay, yeah, here it is. Oh boy. Translate shaders, rebuild. Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh man. Okay. I'm not even gonna make it get the current scene. I'm just gonna manually put it in. I think that's right. No. Is that it? Yeah, okay. Right. YAML. YAML. Comedy Squad just seems like Zombies 2 and Double Shot combined. Well, actually, the package name is Colony Double Shot 2, which is pretty funny. But what's even funnier is that the package name for the original Colony Double Shot was Call of Mini Bullet Dudes. As if you couldn't make it more obvious you were ripping off Gun Bros. Anyways, let's see. I don't remember where the NavMesh asset is stored. Okay, NavMesh data. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Bullet Dudes. Very much, obviously, a ripoff of Gun Bros. Very similar games. Actually, although now I'm questioning, did Gun Bros 2... Let me check on Sensor Tower. Hold on, let me turn off my... I'm gonna check real quick which one came first. So, Call of Mini Double Shot was released in 2011, November 10th, okay? And Gun Bros 2 was released, oh wow, 2013, February the 20th. So, I mean, it really seems like Call of Mini Double Shot took some, creative liberties, because Gun Bros 1 is a lot different than Gun Bros 2, but Gun Bros 2 is, like, the exact same as Double Shot. So, I mean, it's like the Theft War thing all over again with Star Warfare. Oh, man. Okay. This script right here, all of these scripts in this folder, they're part of something big, and I will be making a video on it for sure. Because oh man, I'll mention it in the next video. I already read part of the script. NavMesh settings. Yes, here we go. And I'm just gonna debug on. NavMesh settings. Child nodes. NavMesh data. Yeah, I had to write my own YAML reader, so yeah, that was nice, Endless Zombies Rampage 2 is the GOAT of Flash back in 2009, same as Comedy Squads and Gun Bros Sky Camera. Gun Bros Sky Camera. I don't know what that is. yeah, I was too young to do Flash. Well, actually, no. I did some Y8 games. That's how I got into Earn to Die. That's one of the Flash games I played. Trying to think what else. Be cool if you port content exclusive to Dino Hunter 1.0. Yeah. Well, I don't think there is really any exclusive content as far as I can remember, but there might be. Node list. Or no. Table. GUID. Value. Oh wait, no, that is a string. Never mind. Asset database dot asset path GUID. Okay. Sorry, no. GUID to asset path. Okay. Sounds like a headache. Never did programming. Good luck, bro. Well, I enjoy programming. This in specific is kind of a headache, yeah. But it'll be worth it in the end. And what? Oh, man. No. Okay, fine. I will manually log it. I don't even... Oh, man. Well, that's comforting to know. Comforting to know that there's a problem with my YAML reader. Even though I thought it was foolproof. XDX. Yes, the old UI and the removed versions of the forest map were legendary. The old wave levels of Dino Hunter were just... Yeah, nice. Okay. Okay. What? Wait. Oh, man. Man. So that was the right NavMesh. Oh, that's not... I don't like that. That is not helpful information. Oh, man. Okay. Maybe it's not vertices. Or maybe it's the wrong vertices. Oh, man. That's not vertice. Oh. That's nan. That's nan. And then that's... nothing, and that's nothing. What is this? Oh, what is that? Are these indices? I mean, this could be something. What is this? Those are definitely. Wait, let's see. So this is X. So Y is pretty much level. Oh, man. This is not good. Okay, so I thought... I mean, these have to be the vertices, right? Let me try adding this again. Try lining it up. No, but that doesn't... Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see if I can grab the indices as well. How many? Oh, yeah, that's not anything. Let me refer back to this. mesh tile. Here we go. Polys, verts, DT link, detail verts. Okay, so I mean, it looks like these are the vertices, and then links. Okay, DT link. Ref, next, edge, side, bmin, bmax. Okay. I mean, it looks like that's what it is, I guess. Okay. Then poly detail. Oh, man. Somebody help me. What? Detail. What is a detail mesh? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Okay. Detail poly. Detail. Great. Okay. Vert base, tri base, vert count, tri count. Right. Okay. So then it's detail verts. Okay, let me find the next chunk of vertex data. I don't think any of these fit the bill. It's really just this. I am lucky. Actually, wait, hold on. Is this a multiplicative of... This does not look like a multiplicative of 12. Let me see. 192 divided by 12. Oh, no, okay, it is. We good. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Maybe that's better. Let's make an empty, put NavMesh test on it. I mean, that sure is a sphere. Stupid NavMesh, stupid NavMesh, very stupid NavMesh. I'd like to now I'd like to now specify, this is not the only way for me to do this. So option 1, which is the one I'm going to be rolling with for a while because it is the best way and the least tedious, if I can get it to work, is to find the vertices in the triangles, and then put it on the thing. And if that doesn't work, then I need to figure out the format of the 2017 NavMesh, which is most likely completely different, and the worst part is I don't have debug symbols for Uni 2017. Actually, I could just look into the first version where the NavMesh format changed, which might be, I think, just Unity 5 or Uni 5.2, 5.3? Oh no, I can look into that. As long as I have structs, it shouldn't be that bad. So I could literally just do direct porting, which would be the absolute best. It'd probably be really painful, but it could happen. Option 3, I figure out how they baked the original meshes, because there's a lot I still don't know about nav meshes, but something tells me, I don't know, it just seems like they're baked in some weird way that can't be done post build. I don't know. I'll figure it out. If I can't do that, if that's literally impossible to get a build output or a similar output just from the navigation tab, then I will find a way to generate meshes based on the levels, based on the meshes in the levels. And oh man, that would be very painful, but I could tweak it enough to the point where it would be close to the original output, but that would definitely take the longest to literally basically just make my own NavMesh generator specifically for this game. Okay. And then another option is I just manually make a mesh for every single scene. I don't like that option. I don't think that's a good option. I don't want to do that. If I really needed to, I would. I guess. Maybe. I don't know. That's like last resort. And at that point, I don't even know if I go down that route at that point, because that's just bad. Okay. So yeah. Those are my options, and I'm gonna stick with number one for now, probably for the next few streams of this. But if I literally can't deduce anything at all, I'll move on to method 2, where I can just kind of copy the data over. Because I'm not understanding how these vertices have anything to do with the actual map. I don't even know where the indices are. The indices are weird. Excuse me. Here, wait, let me see. This is gonna be too loud. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, I don't understand what's up with the vertices or the indices, but if I can just copy those over, that's gonna be the easiest method. However, if I can figure out how to directly port it, that would be objectively the best method. Okay, wait, I'm kind of behind on the comments. Shame we never got to see that cool black helicopter in the game of Call of Duty Zombies 2. The models are not even in the game. It looks so cool, even the game menu image. Yeah. Oh. Do you know who composed for Call of Duty games? Yes, actually. I actually talked to him. He made the music for Double Shot, Dino Hunter, and I think another game. I don't remember. He hasn't been on Discord since, I think, at the very start of 2023. I forgot his name, but yeah. He did not make the Call of Duty Zombies 1, 2, Sniper, any of that. That was, I don't know who did that. It's and shame. We never got to see that. Oh wait, no, I already read that. What happened to the cutscene at the start of Zombies 2? Oh, well, that uses handheld.playMovie, which is not a function that works on any other platform. But I've been thinking about making a replacement function that just kind of does the same thing, sort of. I don't know. It's annoying. Why don't you just bake it? Because hold on, I'll get to that. Still on YouTube. CamZ has it, I think. And it's on YouTube. I want to see it in the game again. Yeah, like I said, mobile specific function. Never tried to install CamZ. Call avmini 2 Zombies 2. Do you mean CamZ 2? Because it's not call at mini. Yeah. Why don't you just bake it? Well, okay, alright. So, the way they're baked is really weird. Because, if we go on the navigation tab, we go to areas, there's this door. There's this door thing here. And basically, the way that they're baked is, and for the record, I'm not doing this just for this. I do want a NavMesh porter for all of my decomps, because that's just a tedious, annoying step that I need to hurdle. But yeah, so, I mean, what I could do maybe, and I'm thinking this could also be good, I make a converter thing during the decompilation process in U Legacy Ripper. No longer U for X A Ripper, now U Legacy Ripper. That converts all the NavMesh setting stuff, but I have a feeling a lot of that stuff is lost on build. Like the editor settings, I don't think those are kept on build just because space efficiency. So I don't know, I could look into that, but I don't think that would be helpful. But anyways, the door, so it only builds the NavMesh along the road and on the roofs of the houses. So I guess I'm not sure how it avoids, like, it doesn't build between here and it doesn't build up here. And then around where like these shock gates are, for instance, you have this door area that kind of just like a radius around this. Now I'm guessing there's a way to build that. My problem is I don't know how. But that's another, like I said, that's another option to figure out how it's built. But then again, like I said, I want direct porting. So yeah. Is it static? This, yes, it's static. I'm gonna need to re-decompile this again, probably, before I actually start to try to fix things. Can you fix Punch Hero? I don't know what Punch Hero is. I guess I can look into it later. Which column in a game has the most detailed maps? Well, I mean, honestly, probably Column Any Squad. I mean, yeah, a lot of the stuff is pasted, but I mean, there's stuff all over the place. Then again, that's a hard one, because I mean, it's pretty consistent. I'd say the one with the least detailed maps is honestly probably Dino Hunter, but it makes sense because it's really just nature. I guess I'd have to go with maybe Comedy Zombies 2. Animation ninjas were heck cool. Oh man, not just cool, they were heck cool. Call of Many Zombies 1.0 had an intro, but they removed it. Oh yeah, yeah. We actually have the APK for 1.0, so I mean I could decompile that. No way. Squad seems like it was made in a way where it's very hard to understand unless you know exactly what to do. No, that's more just Unity. That's Unity. They're not very good at making their, engine. Well, I mean, it wasn't. You're not supposed to decompile games. You're not supposed to get into the low levels. But it's still annoying though. Yeah, the black helicopter of green core. Lore-wise talking. Yeah. The most detailed map in all of Comedy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. ComZ2 Junkyard. Punch Hero is Unity and Mono. Well, I mean, I guess I could then. At some point, it's probably going to be pretty low on the list, though, because I have a lot planned for this year. If you look at my latest video, you will see that. Definitely the biggest one is what I'm doing right now, Call of Many Squad. And simply just because of the NavMesh thing. I mean, I've already basically mostly recreated the server stuff locally. So all that needs to be done after this stuff, the NavMesh Chronicles, all that needs to be done after that, the talent screen. Here, wait, let me check. I have a to-do list on squad hunting. Who pinged me? That's Met. Why can't you bake the mesh? I explained it. That was 8 minutes ago. And like I said, I want a porter. But again, for squad in specific, I could try to figure it out. Pins. I just need to learn a lot about nav meshes before that, because there's a lot of settings and stuff that I don't know. Okay, alright, I only have to fix electric gates and a few more things. Oh, right. Okay, well, that was just not true. That was just a NavMesh issue. So that's, yeah, 7 months ago. Yeah, that's when I figured it out. Okay, yeah, I need to add achievements, daily missions, the talent screen. And okay, I guess that's it. So yeah, really just those 3 things. Of course, achievements, I will have to fill a few things in. I mean, really what we need to do is just download as many videos of Squad as possible. To literally just scrape the entirety of YouTube and whatever else for them, and then go by every single one. It's stupid, yeah, but like, I mean, if we want it to be accurate, kind of need to. So, I mean, that's the last thing we're going to do. That's the last few streams, implementing all that. And then I guess I will be done. But then, of course, we have this big blockade in front of us before that. I remind somewhere. Trinity was a Chinese company? Is that true? Lol. Yes. Hold on, did you say APK for Zombies 1.0? Because I think it was only on iOS when it first released, so it could be an IPA file. Nope, just 1.0 APK. I was just as confused as you. But yeah, it was just the 1.0 APK. We just have it, I guess. I mean, I could do punchier if you want. Why can't you open old NavMesh with Unity? I can. I can open this on Unity 4 and the NavMeshes are there. But that's how I was explaining what they actually look like, because I opened them in Unity 4. But yeah, I'm not using Unity 4. You can't make me. I'm not doing it. For the good of me and everyone else who will ever work on this, I am not using Unity 4. How much progress would you say you have made on Squad so far? A lot. I mean, I basically just listed everything I didn't do yet, which is, with the exception of mail and global chat, which I'm probably not going to implement. I guess I could figure out how to implement global chat, but anyways. And mail, I guess. I don't know. I'm probably not going to on first release. But anyways. Besides those things, which I might not do, the only thing I haven't done is achievements, daily missions, the talent screen, which is like skill points and some other stuff. There's also evolution. We don't have much footage of that. It's very vague on that. So we're probably gonna have to fill in some gaps there. Just ask around, see if people remember how it works. I can't speak. And then this nav meshes. So I'm mostly done, really. just a few more things. I mean, these are all the scripts I ended up making to get the job done. And then I edited a lot of scripts as well. So yeah. Why don't you just make it export data in Unity 4? What do you mean export data in Unity 4? Do you mean you can't access vertices or indices in NavMeshes? Unity doesn't let you. I've checked. Trust me, I've checked. You can't. I don't know what you mean by export data. If you mean export the vertices and indices, I can't. The best I'd be able to do is figure out where the vertices and indices pointer, the vertex and index pointers are, and then export them through that. But like, I feel like I'd be doing the same thing as just extracting them from the file, which I still don't know what they do or how to work them into the thing. Like verts, yeah, like I said, you can, they're not exposed to scripting. Here, wait, I'll open up the Unity 4 DLL right now. The mono, or the C# part that allows you to script. I'd have to manually extract it from memory, which I don't think would be any different than what I'm doing now. Unity program files, Unity hub editor. Nope, wrong one. I got it standalone over here. 4.7.2 editor. Data managed. Okay. I have the entire scripting, all the scripting DLLs right here. If we go to NavMesh, calculate acceleration base offset. I could export the base offset corners. The corners. Huh. I mean, this might be interesting, but I don't think there are indices. Current off-mesh link data, valid activated link type, start pause, end pause, off-mesh link. I don't know what that is. That's current. Get current. I don't think you can get all of them. That's it. Oh yeah, that's NavMesh agent. That's not helpful. I need to actually go into unity.navmesh. Okay, let's see. Raycast, calculate path internal. Find closest edge. NavMesh triangulation. Bro, what? Calculate triangulation. NavMesh. Ref layers. Huh. Okay, well that would be good. Except that's seemingly all the vertices and all the indices on layers, which I don't think that has multiple areas. I mean, I could try that. I don't know. I don't think it would be useful. Triangulate internal, add restore NavMesh. Let's see, NavMesh editor window. Let's see if there's anything interesting in here. I think that's really just the UI. List game objects. Yeah, that's not really helpful. NavMesh path. Yeah, right, that's this. M_corners. Fake class to mimic the NavMesh file. Well, I mean, like, well, the way things are stored in Unity is you have the YAML file, and that's serialized the C# class. Or actually, no, it doesn't serialize the C# class. It serializes a C++ class, actually. And then it serializes C++ class, but the problem is all the data that I actually need is in this just array of bytes. Just all these inconspicuous bytes. If we go to the NavMesh file, so I mean, here's the problem. Mimic the NavMesh file. I don't know how that's formatted. That's what I'm trying to find out. You see, you got all this stuff, and this is me actually trying to convert it. I did try to convert this into a normal NavMesh thing. I put all the stuff, and I matched up, but mesh data doesn't match up, so it doesn't know what to do with itself. Now that I think about it, that's probably why it's 0. Let me try this. 'Cause this is what the navigation looks like for me. We'll get back to this. Min region area. So it looks like region area is how it works, but let's not. Okay, that's better. What was that? Oh yeah, right. I'll do that later. Let's go back here. Have you tried like built-in binary writer that can write classes and structs? Well, yeah. The thing is though, none of these classes or structs match up with the actual format. And you see what I'm saying here? It's not helpful. It's not helpful. I don't know the format. As much as like I don't know the format. That's the problem. That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know it. I don't know the struct. I don't know the class. I don't understand it. Can you send me the NavMesh file and screenshot stuff that has the nav file? Okay. Well, really what you need is you need to go get Binary Ninja, disassemble Unity 4.2 with the PDB, or I mean, really, it'll already get the PDB, but yeah, and then you'll have the structs, and you can look through them, and I think the base struct is DT NavMesh, and then what you want to do is just go on my GitHub and there will be Comedy Squad and all these files. And you just copy all of this into HXD, and then you can do whatever with them. Well, I don't. That's the thing, though. There are so many structs. There's like. There's probably like 18 structs. I haven't even found them all. And they definitely don't match up with the actual file. But I'm gonna try one thing real quick. NavMesh. Oh wait, that's the normal nav. Okay. Map 1. Oh, right. 4.2.0. Okay, you should add custom jungle map game. It'd be cool. What platform should I use for development when I leave Roblox? Unity? Or wait, do you mean what? You mean what engine, or what should you program on? Because I recommend Unity, because despite all of this, it's a good engine. You know, it's a good engine. You can go the Godot route as well, but I don't like Godot. I don't like it. No, dang it. Right. Oh man, I really just need to restart. Decomp. Okay. Ah, man. What engine is that's what I meant. So Wokdo. Yeah. Yeah, you don't need none of that Wokdo. You just go with Unity. I mean, like, yeah, it'd be better if it was open source. It'd be a lot better if it was open source. I'm not gonna pretend like that's not the case. I'm not gonna pretend it's not a flawed engine, but I personally think it's better for 3D games. And plus, if you're looking to make anything Call of Mini related, Unity is definitely the best bet because you already have all the assets already in the Unity form. You don't have to do any conversion, and it's going to be a lot more accurate to the original. Unity's good. Unity's good. I like Unity. You should go with Unity. It's good. And none of that terrible GD script, Python. No, none of that. None of that. You can just go with C#. You can do C# on Godot too, but apparently it's not that good. And if you're not, I mean, Unity's completely built around C#. C#'s a great language. It's just, you know, it's great. It's just a language. It's great. But yeah, biggest downside of Unity, not open source. That is by far the biggest downside. But it's just kind of better for 3D game dev. That's just kind of a fact. Go broke. I'm gonna port all my games outside of Roblox to PC, mobile, and console. When I start making games outside of Roblox, so it won't really matter which device you use. Yeah, good luck on the console front. That's yeah, I don't know how well that's gonna go. Anyways, I think that's enough for today. I'm just gonna keep yapping until we hit 2 hours and then end it. So this was more of an introduction to everything. I might do a little bit of stuff off stream. But yeah, there are many other things to try. To be honest, I might try to recreate the baking process. See if I could figure that out, because if I could figure that out, then, you know, I don't have to make all the stream reader and all that. But I will do what it takes to get this done, because it's been a long time and it's taking too long. We need to get it done. People need